Hey, beautiful people, it is another Friday night, and I have a quick recipe for you for the fam. And this is Nacho Pizza. I actually found this recipe on YouTube, and I think it was from TikTok, but we're going to try it and I'll let you know how the family likes it. So we are a corn-free, dairy-free family. So I got the Siete chips here. They are grain-free and corn-free. So we start off making this nacho pizza by adding a layer of salsa. And I choose to use the organic salsa. I shop at Kroger for this. I got the Simple Truth. And you also see the Simple Truth shredded mozzarella as well. So yeah, you layer that on really well. And then you can use either queso or, in my case, our cheese alternative, which is the mayocos or mayocos. I don't really know how to say that word properly. But we got the pourable mozzarella. And you put that and layer that on really good. It tastes like mozzarella, which was crazy to me. But yeah, so that's the next ingredient here. So I'll actually be sharing the recipe for the nacho pizza in the description box below. So I'm a little extra. I added taco seasoning to it just to give it a little bit of flavor. And next you add your pepperoni, and I choose to use the boar's head turkey pepperoni. We don't eat pork, so I actually really love those pepperoni, by the way, because we make our own homemade pizzas, which I think I should actually do a video of us making our homemade pizza because they are always super, super bomb. And I don't know if y'all remember those pizzas from school, like the breakfast pizzas from school. I actually made one of those with my kids like 2 years ago. When I tell you it was so good, I still remember it. And the only reason why it was 2 years ago is because when I tell y'all those ingredients were freaking expensive because you had to get the yeast and all that. But I'm not going to bore y'all with that. Let's get back to this nacho pizza. And yeah, I put a lot of pepperonis because we love pepperoni. And I only made one. I just made a very large pizza. And then I put more of the pourable cheese. And like I said, you can use queso in place of that. And yeah, I was really like turning up in the kitchen with my oldest son. Like, he makes beats. So he's getting into production and things of that nature, which I absolutely love because, if you don't know, we are a 9-year homeschool family. So my children dabble into these different ventures and things, which I absolutely love because I can't niche down myself. So I love a lot of different things, and I love definitely just having my hands in multiple things. So yeah. He actually grabbed the parsley for me because I can't have pizza without parsley, even though this is nachos. I have to put my parsley because parsley goes well on pizza. For real. So after that, we put the pizza in the oven, and I actually had the oven on 350. I'm not sure if that was the actual time, but for me, that was always a safe temperature. So definitely keep an eye on it. You can actually go up on the time or go up on the temp in less time. But like I said, I set mine to 350, and we're letting the pizza cook for 10 minutes. So after our 10 minutes were over, I decided to let the pizza cook an additional 5 minutes because we're working with vegan cheese here, so it doesn't always melt the best. So this is the finished product, and I have to say it was not a hit in our home, but we got other recipes to try. You guys have a good one. Okay, we're done.